Hello, little friends. Good evening. I am Titi Rabbit. Today, I will take you to the high mountain plateau, where Little Lynx slowly listens to the night around it.
Soft evening light slowly settles over the rocky plateau. Stones of many sizes lie across the ground, with small patches of short grass growing between them. A little snow still remains on the higher slopes. Beside a narrow rock crevice, a little lynx is lying down. Its thick, fluffy fur rises and falls with each breath. After a while, the little lynx slowly opens its eyes. It lifts its head, and the two black tufts on its ears move gently. The little lynx does not walk forward right away. It stands beside the rock crevice and listens quietly. Wind passes between two rocks with a soft, thin sound. A few blades of grass rub gently together nearby. The little lynx turns its ears, first toward the left and then toward the right. The evening light slowly fades, and the edges of the rocks become soft gray-blue. Night has not fully arrived, but the sounds of the plateau are already becoming clearer. After listening for a while, the little lynx moves forward. It steps onto ground covered with small stones and short grass. Its broad paws land softly between the pebbles. A few tiny stones shift beside its feet. The little lynx walks lightly, and each step makes a quiet sound. When the little lynx reaches a gentle slope, it hears a soft sliding sound ahead. It stops and turns its ears toward the sound. A few loose pebbles are slowly slipping down the slope. They touch one rock, roll past another, and finally stop beside a crevice below. The little lynx does not hurry forward. It simply stands still and listens. Its body stays calm and relaxed. When the slope becomes quiet again, it lifts one paw and continues on. The sky slowly grows darker. The last warm light near the mountains fades into soft blue. A curved moon appears above the distant peaks. Moonlight rests on the edges of the rocks, on the short grass, and on a few patches of snow. Even in the night, the stones, low shrubs, and gently rising slopes still have soft outlines. The little lynx follows the rocky ground and slowly walks into the deeper blue of night. When the little lynx reaches flatter ground, it stops once more. Nearby, short grass rubs gently together. Beside it, the wind moves around the edges of the rocks. Farther away, low shrubs sway softly. The little lynx raises its head. One it turns toward the nearby grass, while the other slowly turns toward the distant slope. Some sounds come from far away, thin and quiet, as if they are blending into the night. The little lynx walks on and reaches a higher rocky slope. From there, the plateau looks wider and more open. Moonlight spreads softly across the stones and lights a few pale patches of snow between the grass. Distant mountains stand one behind another under the deep blue night sky. The little lynx pauses on the slope and looks across the quiet plateau. Wind moves over the open ground, carrying the sound of grass rubbing together and the soft whisper of air around the rocks. The little lynx does not hurry away. It simply stands and listens to the plateau at night. The little lynx gently looks back and listens to the sounds behind it. The rocky ground, pebbles, and short grass all rest quietly in the night. The night is not empty after all. When the little lynx pauses, it can hear wind passing through the rocks and the sound of its own steps on the plateau. By listening slowly, it knows that the night is close and that it can keep moving forward. Moonlight rests on its thick fur. The little lynx lifts one paw again and walks into the familiar, quiet night.
That is the end of today's story. If you would like to stay on the high mountain plateau,
join a little snow portrait as it climbs the rocky slope.
one steady step at a time.
Or follow the little stone marten
Through the bright rock crevices. Links to both stories are in the description below. Now close your eyes, listen quietly, and let your body slowly relax. Good night, and may you have a calm and peaceful dream.